Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing a quick and easy lunch. Pasta Roni with shrimp, corn, and broccoli. Let's go. That's the shrimp, raw shrimp. Okay, I've already given myself a head start. Broccoli and the corn, they're on. And the water is also on. Okay, I'm just showing you the directions for this pasta. Okay, ready to go. Pour it in. I would be using 2 boxes of this pasta Roni. And guess what? I'm only going to use one of the sauce. One of the cream mixture. Cheese mixture, that is. I only want one in. Just trying to watch my salt intake. One would do the trick for us today. That's the other box. Now I'm going to allow this water to boil right out. Almost out. Just leave a little bit in. You have to be careful with the cover on this pot as well. You would have a big mess. Okay, it's ready for the butter. I've added 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, whichever one you have. It's only a little bit of water, so liquid. Reduce the heat. Now I'm going to add some cream or milk. I'm doing this the Bahamian way. Sometimes I would add milk and sometimes I would add cream. Same thing to us. Whatever you have, use it. Use it. Give that a good mixing. That's enough for the sauce. Next is the cheese mixture. I'm only going to use one of these in this. That's why I didn't leave a lot of the water in the pasta. Watching my salt intake. This is going to get nice and thick and creamy. That's enough. Only need one. So this is little pieces of broccoli in the mixture. And also I'm going to be serving broccoli on the side. So now I'm going to add the raw shrimp. So that shouldn't take long because shrimp don't need a lot of time, a long time to cook. My stove is off. Now this is an electric stove, so it is still hot. And the heat from the pasta, will also help cook the shrimp. That's why I shut it off. Oh my word, that looks great. And we are hungry too. Woohoo! Pasta Roni with shrimp. Broccoli cheddar sauce. This is gonna be something else. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.